Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best outlet wall plate with LED night lights that are available on the market for their true quality. These innovative products are perfect for adding subtle lighting to your home while keeping your outlets free for other uses. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the 6-pack SnapPower GuideLight 2. Designed for those who want to revamp multiple outlets at once. This pack is ideal for larger homes or anyone looking to upgrade multiple rooms, offering 6 wall plates with built-in LED nightlights. These lights feature SnapPower's signature dusk-to-dawn sensor, which automatically turns the lights on when it's dark and off during the day. The installation is a breeze. Thanks to the patented prong design, no brackets, batteries, or wiring required. The design of this product is clean and modern, with a matte white finish that blends seamlessly with most interior decors. Each wall plate is compact and lightweight, weighing just under 11 ounces for the entire pack. The LED lights are subtle yet effective, providing a soft, downward glow that's perfect for hallways, kitchens, and children's rooms. However, keep in mind that the product is only compatible with duplex outlets with side screws, so double-check your outlet type before purchasing. The 6-pack makes this option great for value, but it also means a higher upfront investment compared to smaller packs. While the lights are energy efficient, costing less than 10 cents per year to operate, the bulk quantity may be unnecessary for smaller households. If you need widespread coverage, this is a fantastic option. However, for smaller projects or individual rooms, a smaller pack might be more cost-effective. Overall, the SnapPower GuideLight 2 6-pack is perfect for homeowners looking for a complete, energy-efficient lighting solution. Coming in at number 4 is the 3-pack SnapPower GuideLight 2, which offers a balanced option for medium-sized homes. This pack includes 3 wall plates, each equipped with LED nightlights and the same dusk-to-dawn auto sensor featured in all SnapPower GuideLight models. These plates are perfect for areas like hallways, bathrooms, and bedrooms, where you need a soft, guiding light without sacrificing outlet space. The build quality is excellent, with a matte white finish that complements most standard outlets. The light output is subtle and non-intrusive, providing enough illumination to safely navigate in the dark without being overwhelming. Like the 6-pack, installation is simple. Just snap the plates into place on outlets with side screws. No tools or wiring expertise required. However, if your outlets don't have side screws, this product will not be compatible, so it's important to check before buying. In terms of value, the 3-pack is a solid middle ground. It's less of a commitment than the 6-pack, while still offering a multi-room solution. That said, it may not be ideal for those who only need 1 or 2 plates, as you might end up with extras. This pack is great for small families or homeowners who want to upgrade a few key areas of their home with energy-efficient night lighting. If you're looking for a convenient and high-quality solution, the SnapPower GuideLight 2 3-pack is a great choice. At number 3, we have the single SnapPower GuideLight 2, a fantastic option for those who just need one LED wall plate for a specific area. Whether it's to light up a single hallway, staircase, or bathroom, this unit offers the same energy-efficient and user-friendly features as the multi-packs. The LED lights are activated by a dusk-to-dawn sensor, ensuring you always have light when you need it, without wasting power during the day. This single unit is lightweight, compact, and designed to blend seamlessly with your existing outlets. The polished white finish gives it a clean, minimalist look. Installation is just as easy as the multi-pack versions. Simply snap it onto any duplex outlet with side screws. However, because this is a single unit, it's a bit pricier per plate compared to the multi-pack options. That said, it's perfect for users who don't need multiple units or who want to try out the product before committing to a larger pack. The primary downside here is the cost-effectiveness. If you foresee needing multiple plates in the future, it may be worth exploring the 3-pack or 6-pack instead. However, if you only need a single unit or want to test the waters with SnapPower products, this is an excellent choice. The single SnapPower GuideLight 2 is ideal for anyone looking for a simple, energy-efficient lighting solution for one specific area. The runner-up in our countdown is the SnapPower 2-pack GuideLight 2, an ideal option for couples, roommates, or anyone looking to upgrade 2 key areas in their home. This pack includes 2 wall plates with built-in LED nightlights that provide a soft, downward glow. The dusk-to-dawn sensor technology ensures that the lights are only on when needed, making them both convenient and energy efficient. The design is sleek and modern, with a matte white finish that complements most decor styles. The installation is as simple as snapping the plates onto your outlets. No tools, wires, or batteries required. At just 3.52 ounces each, these plates are lightweight and easy to handle. However, like other SnapPower products, they require duplex outlets with side screws for compatibility. Be sure to check your outlets before purchasing. This 2-pack strikes a great balance between affordability and functionality. It's perfect for small households or those who want to enhance just a couple of key locations, such as a bedroom and bathroom. The main drawback is that it may not be cost-effective for larger homes, where a 3-pack or 6-pack would provide better value. Nonetheless, for targeted use, the SnapPower 2-pack GuideLight 2 is an excellent choice that combines convenience, design, and energy efficiency. Finally, at number 1, we have the 4-pack SnapPower GuideLight 2, the most versatile and well-rounded option on our list. This pack includes 4 wall plates, making it ideal for medium-sized homes or anyone looking to upgrade multiple rooms. Like all SnapPower products, these plates feature energy-efficient LED lights with a built-in dusk-to-dawn sensor, ensuring they only operate when needed. The design is both functional and elegant, with a polished white finish that looks great in any room. The light output is subtle, yet effective, providing just the right amount of illumination for nighttime navigation. Installation is incredibly simple, with no tools, wiring, or batteries required. The patented prong design allows you to snap these plates onto any compatible duplex outlet with side screws. What sets this 4-pack apart is its balance of value and practicality. It's more affordable per unit than smaller packs, yet it's not as overwhelming as the 6-pack for those who don't need as many plates. Its versatility makes it a great choice for families, couples, or even individual homeowners who want to upgrade multiple areas. The only real downside is the same compatibility issue. These plates only work with duplex outlets that have side screws. Overall, the SnapPower GuideLight 2 4-pack earns its top spot by offering the best combination of performance, design, and value for the average homeowner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.